Hi everybody! Welcome to week 11 in my Project Life album. I'm using the Calm Kit from Document Life Stories to document this week, and I think in total it only took me half an hour to make this full spread. I'm starting with my weekly card, and this is the most complex card of them all. I picked out a couple of the plants that were part of the embellishments from the kit and am placing them at the bottom of the card. Then I'm using this plastic Polaroid frame from Ali Edwards as a sort of window, so it looks like the plants are on the windowsill behind the window. I'm using some white alpha stickers to spell out week 11, and I'm placing these stickers above the plants that I've already stuck down. I tried my glue tape and also liquid glue, but those really don't stick well on the plastic, so I'm using some double-sided tape to stick down the frame to the paper. I love this photo of the sunset so much that I don't really want to add a lot of embellishments to it. So all that I'm adding is a label and a rubber embellishment that says just perfect. It works well in the corner and it just lets the photo speak for itself. This week was the first week that the big measures against Corona started here in the Netherlands, so of course I also had to document that. I'm starting with this photo of the poster that Ajax showed with the date that there will not be any games for a while, and I'm going through my labels to find a small one that I can fit in the corner to write down a little bit of journaling. The second photo is a screenshot from an article that wrote down all the measures that were starting now, and I wanted to document those. I'm going through the rubber embellishments and the stickers to see if I can find one that works well, and I want to use these circular embellishments that'll say this year, this month, this week, stuff like that. And I'm sticking down a couple in the gaps in between the text. The rubber embellishment says go with the flow, and I really think that's the only thing that we can do right now. Just take it easy, listen to what the measures are saying, what we can do, what we can't do, and just sit it out and hope for the best that we find a solution soon. The last card that I'm making is my journaling card. I'm going through the embellishments and I'm picking out a couple of these flower leafy things, and I'm decorating the corners of the card with them. Then I'm writing down my journaling on the card, and after I stopped filming I also added a word sticker that says stay strong. You can see that in the photos after this part. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you're healthy, everybody around you is healthy, and just find a way to keep being creative, because I think it will really help you process everything that's going on. Please leave me a like and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!